So handstand can be quite fun. Whenever you feel that you need some support, always stay close to the wall with your back facing towards the wall. When you do handstand, keeping the legs up straight to the sky can be quite challenging. So but today we're going to split the legs apart. Maybe you find that much easier to balance. You don't have to split until the knees are fully extended. You just want to bring one leg to the front, one to the back as a balancing point. Your hands on the ground with the fingers are spread out. So your hands should be as wide as your shoulder width. So it's easy to push up, then you can feel your weight is not entirely towards your hands. So keep your hands as wide as the shoulder width with the fingers spread out. Make sure the space behind of you is intimate space. In case you were to lose your balance, you can drop back into your wheel pose. Your spine is quite ready because you did quite a number of a back bend and hip opening. Coming up onto your hands and your feet. Right leg up, push your shoulders, look somewhere to the hands. You don't have to open too wide, opening enough to find balance. Keep your eyes at one point, stay here and balance. So handstand is a full body pose that requires a lot of strength, flexibility, integration, and also alignment of the whole entire of the body. So you need to practice handstand quite often, so it'll be easy for you to actually hold the pose for some time. And in fact, when you hold handstand for some time, it strengthens up your core and also your legs, because you need to hug in everything to midline so that you don't topple over. Basically, you need to activate every muscles in your body from the fingertips towards the heels to the toes so that you can hold on a pose without falling over. It's not that difficult actually, once you have stretched out all your whole entire body.